Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing our own facial at home. I'm really going for glowy, bright skin, so let's get into it. So the first step to any facial is thoroughly cleansing your skin. So I'm going to be using the Ole Henriksen Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser. You guys know this is my all-time favorite cleanser. I love it so much. It gives you a nice sud, but it also has AHAs in it, which is really good for helping to clear your skin and give your skin a more even tone. So I thought it would be really nice to multitask during this facial, so I decided to do some Crest white strips. I'm using the Classic Vivid, and these you put on for 30 minutes, so I'll just have these in pretty much my entire time doing this facial. So this wouldn't be a facial if I didn't steam my face, so I'm going to be using this facial steamer that I got from Amazon. But if you don't have one, you can always fill up your sink with really hot water, put your face over it, and then put a towel over your head. That will really give you a similar effect to this facial steamer. I love using this before a mask because I feel like it really helps to open up my pores and really get that mask working. So next, I'm going to be applying the Ordinary Salicylic Acid Mask. I'm going to be using a brush to apply this mask because it just makes the process way less messy, and I feel like you can really evenly apply the mask onto your face using a brush. I really do like this mask because it has salicylic acid in it, which is really good for anyone with acne-prone skin. And next, I'm going to be going in with an acid peel. Today, I'm going to be using the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. This is a two-step peel, and it's really for people that are looking to help, minimize the appearance of pores, dark marks, fine lines, really help with texture of the skin. I'm going to start off with the first step, which is the Exfoliate and Smooth. This wipe is the one that has all of the acids in it, and I'm going to be wiping this all over my face. I'm then going to set my timer for 2 minutes. So next I'm going to be going in with the second step of this peel, and this is just the Neutralizer. This just ensures that all of the active acids that were on my face stop. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Kylie Skin Vitamin C Serum. I'm using this to get my face ready for Gua Sha. It's really important to use some sort of oil or serum before Gua Sha, just to ensure that the stone glides very nicely across your face. Gua Sha is really great for lymphatic drainage as well as really releasing the tension in your muscles, which is why I love to use it. It's also amazing at sculpting the face, so if you notice that your face is really puffy in the mornings and you really want to decrease that, I would definitely recommend checking out Gua Sha. So we can't forget about our under eyes, so I'm going to be using the Ordinary Caffeine Solution Serum underneath my eyes, and I'm going to be using another Gua Sha technique to help lift my under eye. And to lock in all the moisture, I'm going to go in with the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer. I really love this. I've been using it for years, and I would definitely recommend it for anyone with sensitive skin or people that don't like things with fragrance. I'm then going to go in with a lip scrub to help exfoliate my lips. The one I'm using today is from Nug Beauty, and it's in the scent Vanilla. And lastly, to lock in the moisture on my lips, I'm going to be using the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, and this is also in the scent Vanilla. So that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed doing this little facial with me at home. Make sure to like this video to help support my channel and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to see me every Wednesday and Sunday. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.